Hey everybody, so I have a quick video. I got another tool from Napa. Couldn't pass up the price. And it's from Gearwrench. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Hey everybody, how's it going? Alright, so previous video was, I believe, a Gearwrench indexing pry bar, which was this guy right here. It's on sale for 59 bucks. It's a 20 to 33 inch. Just used it, worked great. I did pick up another version of it. I mentioned that they had the big boy, which was the 29 to 48 inch extendable pry bar. This one is part number 82248. I picked it up because Amazon had it for $94. The tag on this one says $110. But with the amount of tax, ended up being a couple dollars shy of this guy here. And because I had a core charge and I was returning a core, my rep, Gus, great guy, he I asked him, I wanted to know what it would be with the tax, because it's $110 even, and he stated because I had a core charge I was returning was like $9 something. This ended up being $110.29. So I grabbed it from there. And here is the receipt to show. Core deposit, $9 flat. Credited. This is normally $281.16 according to Napa, what they sell it for. It was on sale for $110 even. I earned a $5 reward and 93 points for this purchase, and it was $110.29. So my core charge took $9 off this, so it would have been $119.29. Because I had $9, it was the exact price that the tag says, plus 29 cents. And the problem with the Amazon was, after tax, it was $94. That's what the price they were selling it for. But problem with that was that it was like 17 something dollars in tax. So it ended up being $108 and like 79 or 89 cents, something like that, on Amazon. So we're talking like $2-3 and some small change. For that price, it was easier for me to walk out with it than it was to wait for it to be shipped. And you know, it doesn't have a box. All it's got is its bag. I did see the box that it was in. It was in a large brown box. I would bet you it was originally in one of these boxes. But the thing is, I'm just gonna burn this box. There was no point for me to take the other box. And it looked like it was in a wide brown box originally. Looked like maybe there was 3 or 4 of these in that box. This is the only one that was on the table. Reason I grabbed it was because, in my personal opinion, the $2 to $3 I paid, yeah, it was $107 and some change exactly. I just looked it up on my phone. But the extra $3 and 15 or so cents that I paid there, I have a huge problem with my local postal service, post office. This is not going to fit in the box that's down the block from my house, which is my mailbox, because our mailboxes around here are one of those, you know, has 30 houses or whatever on it. It says it's actually only like 15 houses, but it's got two large package partial containers. This is going to fit in there, and the problem with my post office is they always use the excuse that, oh, there's no trespassing on your fence, blah blah blah, and they refuse to, 30% of the time they refuse to drop off to my house, and it's actually more about 70 or 80% of the time they refuse to drop something off at my house. There's been a handful of times in the last like 3 weeks where I've had like 15 or so packages dropped literally in front of my door. I don't understand it. I don't know if it's the same person or the same lady. It's just irritating, or might be different people. I do know that the old lady that always does our mail, she's very rude. She never ever drops at the house, but her daughter does drop off packages off at my doorstep. You know, it's just, I guess it's a preference. I don't know. I've also caught the rude lady stealing my mail. I've actually reported her multiple times to the police department. But anyways, this isn't gonna fit. So more than likely they're gonna literally, and of course Amazon, you know, this is, what is the length of this real quick? Just as it sits now. It's 35 inches long as it sits at the moment in its bag. So the problem is it's 36 inches long. They're gonna Amazon's probably gonna put it in a box that's like 49 inches long and probably like, you know, what would it be? Probably somewhere in the range of 7 to 10 inches wide and 4 times bigger than the item and blah blah blah. And you know, they can always cancel the order. It could take longer to get here, even though the 2-day Prime has been working properly for the last few months, and I've been getting everything within 1 or 2 days. 2 days I had to wait for it, you know, and for $3, as far as I look at the $3 extra, that was my convenience fee. It was convenient for me to get it from my Napa dealer, especially from my Napa rep. I just happened to be there picking up parts and dropping parts, core charges and parts off. I saw it. I had looked at it 3 or 4 times earlier today, and $110, and all I got charged was 29 cents for the tax because I had a core charge. That's a killer deal, especially since it's, you know, even if it's $3 more expensive than Amazon. We're gonna pop it out the bag. It was sitting next to, there's some green slimy liquid on this. It was sitting next to a couple bottles of, I'm not sure what they were. It might have been a specific type of diff fluid or something. I don't know. It does have a warning on here. It says, warning, wear safety goggles. User and bystanders do not strike with a hammer or add leverage with a pipe. And it says Gearwrench right on it. Part number 82248. These items are all lifetime warranty. The actual information slipped off. This is the information. It was just slid onto the tube. 29 inch to 48 inch expandable pry bar. And the way they got this one, it might not have came in an actual yellow Gearwrench box. This could be all the information, which does look like it. This one states that durable locking flex head improves access and leverage over other fixed head pry bars. And I used the 20 to 33 inch one earlier. Worked great. 14 locking positions on the head. Push button to extend, which is these two guys right here. It's got 2 spring detents. Made in Taiwan, Apex Tool Group. which is Gearwrench. Gearwrench is a registered trademark of Apex Brands Inc. and division of Apex Tool Group LLC. But the part number is right there, 82248. I also read it there. What I do like about these is they have so many detents. And let me bring the camera over here. So here's the dual spring. It's definitely well oiled. What I love about these is how close. Oops. Don't want it to fall. Well, there goes the light. Give me a second, guys. There. I love how close these detents are. So, you know, if you really need it to be close in accuracy, you just pop the spring like I just did, slide it forward. Pop the spring, slightly slide it forward, let the spring go, lock into the next detent. And this pry bar has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31 detents. It's quite a bit of detents. And just to show you guys, this is the other one that I had just used. This one has a single. This one is the 82220. 82220. This is the box I showed originally, which is the 20 to 33. This guy right here. And there's a smaller one of this, and I believe there's one in the middle. Yeah, there's one that's like 16 to like 25, and I believe there is one that's like, no, I might be wrong. I think 16 to 25 is the next smallest one. I don't think there is one in between. There might be. I'd have to look it up. I'll put it in the description below. I'll leave links to these to Amazon, so you guys can at least check them out. And the detents on the smaller one, there is 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. There's 28 on this one. And there's 31 on the big guy. So I figured I'd just show you guys. This one's already come in handy. They're not light. This guy is very heavy. Feels like a good, probably somewhere in the range of 25, maybe 30 pounds for this guy. And the head pivots according to the information in 14 different positions. And the one thing I love about these style is these notches, these gripping notches on the back of the head. Works very, very good, especially for doing like wheel bearings, stuff like that. But taking up enough of your guys' time. I do appreciate you guys watching and hanging out with me today. Please like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links. I'll put this one up here for you guys. And my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. Amazon, Acme Tools, Ohio Power Tools. Yep, I think I said all of them. Also, go down in the description below. Check out the At the very top of the description, I have a Ulsa Tools link. That was Ulsa Tools sent me for you guys. If you guys click on that link, it'll give you 10% off any order from ulsatools.com, as well as if you guys do click on that link and you provide your email, maybe if you sign up, if you guys want to do that, it will push 10% to my account. So on my next purchase, sorry, excuse me, my next purchase, I can't talk today. It's been a long day. I've washed my hands like 50 times. And grease under my fingernails. If you guys sign up, I don't think you have to sign up. I think you just have to provide an email. But it will kick back me a 10% off my next purchase, which is helpful to me if you guys need socket rails. There's a Ulsa Tools torque screwdriver here we're going to do some videos on. They have digital torque wrenches, click style torque wrenches, beam style torque wrenches. They have a lot of great socket organization and organization stuff for wrenches and pliers and all kinds of things you can think of, screwdrivers. You know, might be something on there that you might like on their website. If you do find something, use my link. Get some money off. It'll help you. It helps me. Everybody's happy. Appreciate your guys' time though. Thank you guys so much for stopping by and watching. Hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace!